Chatham County tax auctions could be one way to get your foot in the door and buy land or real estate for 5 or 10 cents on the dollar. If you ever wondered how local investors snag tax properties for a fraction of their value, well, let's dig into it and learn how in Chatham County, Georgia. Hi, I'm Ted Thomas. I've been helping people navigate tax lien and tax deed investing for over 30 years. Whether you're looking to build long-term wealth or score a great deal on a single property, this video is for you. What I'm about to share could save you thousands of dollars and countless headaches. If you're like this, don't forget to subscribe and grab your free guide on tax deed investing in the description below. Chatham County, Georgia tax auctions are conducted on Tuesday of the month. Georgia is a redeemable deed state. The state statute, that's the laws, allow the delinquent property owner to come forward and redeem, that is, recover the tax defaulted real estate property which has been sold at public auction for up to 1 year. To recover, that is, redeem, the delinquent property, the owner must pay the highest bidder who won the property at public auction a 20% penalty and a 100% return of the highest bid. Most auction entrepreneurs are unaware of redeemable deed states, which have generous rates of return when the defaulted property owner comes forward and redeems. I'll show you a real-world example in just a moment. This redeemable process is a win-win situation for the highest bidder and for the defaulting taxpayer property owner. Here's how it works. If the delinquent property owner fails to come forward and pay the highest bidder a 20% penalty and 100% return of capital within 365 days, Georgia law allows the highest bidder to foreclose, that is, eliminate the right of redemption and take ownership of the property. In all instances, tax defaulted auctions are as is. The local county is selling at auction, and the county disclaims any responsibility for physical condition of the property, and the county does not warranty the title to be free of defects. These are significant risk factors. Due diligence is required by the buyer before the auction to investigate, to research, and confirm what they are purchasing, including its value and physical condition. The responsibility falls squarely on the shoulders of the auction buyer to research and understand the condition of the property and the title. Tax defaulted auctions are buyer beware, commonly referred to as is. That means caveat emptor, buyer beware at auctions. The other side of that statement and the process is tax defaulted land or real estate at auction could be one way to buy real estate for as low as 5 or 10 cents on the dollar. Buyers should expect real estate they are bidding for to be used and abused, which requires boots on the ground property inspections. In this instance, research the Chatham Tax Commissioner's website to access property information and auction times. Boots on the ground is necessary to investigate the actual property and determine the physical condition of the property and the neighborhood. Lots of tax defaulted properties have been abandoned for months, some even years. You are buying them as is, meaning any repairs or surprises are your responsibility. That is why boots on the ground inspections are non-negotiable. You can fix up the house, but you can't fix up a bad neighborhood. Always view the surrounding area and property conditions. Tax deeds don't come with clear title. You will need a budget for quiet title or title insurance after the purchase to make your property fully marketable. Skipping this step could cost you dearly when you're ready to sell. Many tax defaulted properties have been previously abandoned for months. Others have been abandoned shortly before the auction. Property condition is a serious matter, and without a physical inspection and determination of the ARV, the after repair value, this could be a high-risk proposition. Savvy auction buyers physically review, research, and investigate and have estimated the cost of the ARV, that after repair value, and have reviewed comparable neighborhood values. Common sense tells us property owners do not want to lose the property to the tax collector. The majority of properties will be redeemed. These examples of recent auction will alert the auction bidder how lucrative this possibility could be when a property is not redeemed. According to Zillow, the average home in Savannah, Georgia, which is Chatham County, Georgia, is $319,000. This screenshot that you see has a starting bid of $2,531. It's located in Savannah, Georgia. This house is a 1,500 square foot home with 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. Zillow has this property assessed at $237,000, while the county has it tax assessed at $164,000. Here is what your profit returns could look like. If your max bid for this property was $20,000, multiply that by 20%, and you'll be making a $4,000 profit in 1 year, or you get the property. If your max bid for this property was $50,000, multiply that by 20%, and you'll be getting $10,000 profit in 1 year, or you get the property. What if I told you this is not easy? For sure it's not. There's no business that's easy. You're going to do the work of research, investigating neighborhoods, and ultimately reselling the property. Make no mistake about it. Even though this program is both simple and fast, I never said it was easy. Competitors will really tell you the full story because they only want you to know how wonderful things will be and you'll make big part-time income. I'm here to tell you, the last statement is all pixie dust. Without training and guidance, I'll be frank and forthright, there is risk involved. The lesson is, there's no easy path to success. However, with the right guidance, you can build a one-person, work-from-home lifestyle business that generates a 6-figure income. This video is an example of how to invest in Chatham County, Georgia. I didn't focus on reselling on this video, but that is where most investors fall short. They don't know how to market and resell their newly acquired property. To better understand how to market and sell tax-defaulted property, click the video on my screen, where you'll discover how to sell real estate faster and smarter with 2 game-changing strategies to buy low and sell fast and generate maximum profits in real estate. This video is filled with actionable steps, marketing techniques, insider secrets. See you on the next video.